Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you stuck with an older iPhone or iPad running iOS 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, or 14? And every time you try to download an app, it asks for someone else's Apple ID. Frustrating, right? In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful method to install any app on your iOS device without ever needing another person's Apple ID or no jailbreak required. If you're trying to bring your old iDevice back to life, this method will let you install popular apps, games, and even older versions that still work on legacy iOS. If you're getting the error download requires iOS version or later when trying to install an app on your iPhone or iPad, it means your device's iOS version is too old for the app. Here's how to fix or work around this issue. If your device can't be updated further, you can't download the apps. So, I will show you how to download any apps on older iPhone or iPad without other Apple ID or other devices. First, you need a computer. Install iTunes version 12.6.5. I will insert the iTunes download link in the description of this video. It is support for any Windows version, including Windows 11. After installing this old version of iTunes, you may get an iTunes library error message. To solve this problem, you can go to the music folder. Select iTunes. Then delete the iTunes library file. Once deleted, you can open iTunes. Run iTunes on your computer. After that, select Account. Then log in to the Apple ID connected to your old iPhone or iPad. Enter your Apple ID and password, then click Sign In. Click on the music icon at the top. Then just check and activate the Apps section. This will allow you to access and download any apps on your old device. Then click Apps in App Store button. Choose any apps you want to install on your old iPhone and iPad. You can choose any apps because later the App Store will sync the apps on your Apple ID. After that, you can download apps on your old device. For example, I will try to install Facebook on my iPhone 6, which is not supported on iOS 12. Select the apps, then click Download button. Once successfully downloaded, return to your iPhone. Once successfully downloaded, return to your iPhone. Then open App Store on your device. Tap on the profile in the top right. Then, select Purchased. You will see the apps you downloaded through App Store in the Purchase section. Find the app and tap the Download button. You will see a cloud icon. That means you can get and install it on your device. Or you can use search to find the apps you want to install. Wait a few moments. If an older compatible version exists, you'll see this message. Download an older version of this app, then tap Download. Apps that aren't compatible with your device will automatically be installed with a version that works on it. Wait a few moments, the app will be installed. Make sure you have a good internet connection to download it. As you can see, apps that cannot be installed on older iPhones or iPads can be installed and used on this device. Some of the apps on my iPhone I installed using these tips with old iTunes. Without connecting to a computer, just log in to the same Apple ID in iTunes, then you can download older version apps and customize them for your iPhone. Conclusion. If you want to download and the message download requires iOS version or later appears, you need the old iTunes to change the Get button to Cloud in your App Store so you can download the old version of the app that is supported by your iOS. This method is very simple without another iPhone and iTunes. You can check the link download of old iTunes on description. Now you can install almost any app on your older iPhone or iPad without needing someone else's Apple ID and no jailbreak. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need help with a specific device.